Alright, let's jump right into it. What exactly is Bitcoin? If you've ever heard people talking about digital gold or that mysterious thing that's supposedly going to change money forever, yep, that's Bitcoin. But let's make it simple. Imagine you wanted to send money to a friend in another country. Normally you'd use a bank, PayPal, or some app, right? That works, but it can take days, cost a bunch of fees, and sometimes your money gets stuck. Now what if you could just send money instantly to anyone, anywhere, without a middleman? That's where Bitcoin comes in. Bitcoin is basically digital cash, but unlike dollars or euros, there's no central bank or government controlling it. It was invented in 2009 by someone or some group using the fake name Satoshi Nakamoto. Their goal? To create a new kind of money that's open to everyone and controlled by no one. So, how does it actually work? Imagine a massive digital notebook that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. This notebook isn't hidden in some bank vault, it's copied across thousands of computers around the world. That's called the blockchain. It's public, it's transparent, and it's almost impossible to cheat. Now instead of printing new money whenever they want, the Bitcoin system has a rule. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, that's it. No more. This makes Bitcoin kind of like gold, limited, and people believe it will hold its value over time. But how do you get Bitcoin? You can buy it using regular money, you can accept it as payment for something, or you can mine it. Mining is basically using your computer to help keep the network running, and as a reward, you earn a bit of Bitcoin. But heads up, mining these days needs some serious hardware, so most beginners just buy or earn some. So, why do people care about Bitcoin? Some see it as a way to take control of their money, without banks or governments in the mix. Others think it's a smart investment, hoping its price will keep going up. And some just like the idea of being part of something new and revolutionary. But, and this is important, Bitcoin's price can swing wildly. It's not a guaranteed way to get rich, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, quick recap. Bitcoin is digital money. It's decentralized, it runs on a public ledger called the blockchain, and there will only ever be 21 million of them. Whether you see it as the future of finance or just a cool experiment, now you know the basics. If you want to dive deeper, hit subscribe and let's keep learning together.